Firefighter, sports enthusiast, and now postman, halfway through replacing both hips. So you're still doing 10 miles a day, despite being only 50% there?
Yeah, well, that's what the job asks for, as a postman. You're covering large distances until...
So what's it like living with a hip that's not really working?
Well, it stopped my sport for a while, that's for sure, but it's the more mundane things in life that catch you out. Simply putting a sock on became a real problem.
Stephen's surgeon took me through how his operation worked.
It goes in exactly the right position and our lasers all line up. So it's a laser guided hip replacement.
It involved 3D printed tools and lasers to get the new joint's position correct. But now, this team at University Hospital Coventry is working on taking hip replacements even further, making them even more personalised to the patient with the use of computer simulations to effectively wind back time.
Everybody's hip moves differently. And so what we're trying to do is reverse engineer the patient's hip back to how it was before they ever got arthritis. And then in a computer simulation, see how it moves and make sure our hip replacement will do the same.
Warwick Manufacturing Group has been using reflectors and sophisticated cameras to capture all the ranges of hip motion in patients to create a computer model that can work out what your hips used to do and how a replacement joint can mimic that.
Now, using that hip geometry, you can simulate different activities, and you can then predict what the patient used to do and what the range of motion was when the hip was good.
There's still more research to be done, but one day your new hips might feel just like your old ones. And that's definitely something to smile about. David Gregory-Kumar, BBC Midlands Today, Coventry.